everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's T. I hope you're all doing good and still keeping safe. Today I want to be showing you how I style my hair, and I'm able to keep this style for up to a week. So I just wear my hair nets and that's it. I just brush the sides when I wake up in the morning, inspired by my very own sister-in-law, and she taught me this style and a couple of more styles. You go to the middle and you try to in the past I just do one in the middle, but because my hair is so full now, I have to do up to two in the middle. So you just do like you're plaiting it like this, split it into two and twists. So that's it. Trying to make a straight line, I'm going to keep my front just because I want you to understand. If it was just me doing it, I would just go for the front. So let's go for the second one in the middle. You know, I said you can do one in the middle if your hair is not as full as mine, but if your hair is as full as mine or fuller, then you would need to cut the second one at the back like this. Try to make the line as straight as possible. This one, it depends on the style you want to do. Today I want to do it going to the back. I do it like this and then I twist. Can you see it? And then it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't even know, you're not supposed to be a genius in twisting. So I cut this one and I start plaiting and then I twist. Happy. I want this side to be more puffy, so I've released the natural hair. I started from up. I started from way further than this. So the ones at the back, I'll just make it two. Can you see what is forming? So you twist, hairpin, and I push this first one inside like this. You can try to put it anywhere really. You can try to put it in the middle, or you try to put it at the side. So I'm putting it at the side. I use my pin, secure it. If I feel it's not enough, I can secure it a second time, but I usually do it one time because I don't want to have too many pins in my hair. So the next one is this one. You do it, I just put it back like this. So I'll be putting the pin down like this. Sometimes if I want to do a different style, I just put the hair in another direction, maybe in this direction, in that direction, but today I'm going to be doing this one. So for the other one in the middle, I'm going to put it back to join this first one that I put in the middle. So I'm going to try to hide my pins. So when I'm putting my pins, I'm putting it inwards and not putting it in a way that it will show that there is a lot of pin on the hair, assisting the hair. So it's just a secret installation. So this one is already pointing upwards. I'm just going to put it back like back. Do you see what we have? So this one in front, I can do different styles with it. Actually, this one I do cut it too. So I could do it to come to the front like this. I could do it like this. I could do it like this. So you see? So now I twist. You can plait it all the way through. You can twist it all the way through, but it's just easier to twist it just at the point of the hair meeting, at the point of the hair meeting the other one here, like this. So it looks so effortless. Use this one and put it at the point here where these two bunch of hair meets, like this. And I'm going to take the second one and put here where these two hair meets. If you like, you can put in the middle, especially if you're styling your daughter's hair. That's the hairstyle. It looks so effortless, and before you know what is happening, you're sorted for the week. Just brush it at the end of the week. I hope you like my hair.